What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of My RC Life, where we do all things RC and a little bit of everything in between. Let's go! What's up, everybody? I'm Traxxas Mike from My RC Life, and today I'm finally going to fly this helicopter. About 3 weeks ago, I finally figured out how to flip this thing inverted. And as you will see from this video right here. All right, here we are. We got the inverted function fixed, hopefully. Let's see. Oh, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoops. That was not cool. Things didn't go too well. The wind was blowing really hard that day, and I had no business of getting that thing out. It was kind of late at night. It was very silly of me. But I had to order a new ESC for the copter, 2 new servos, and then after that, when I was putting everything together, I ripped the plug-in off from the GPS sensor that goes up underneath the canopy right here. There's a little GPS sensor. When I was plugging it in, I ripped it right off. You can kind of see it there on the top, right underneath where my finger's at. But we're going to go ahead and get this thing in the air today. It's been snowing and stuff. The thing's been ready to go for about a week, but it's been really windy, or it's been snowing or raining. And today, finally, May 4th, it's finally nice enough where I can fly this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing off the ground and show you how awesome this helicopter is. All right, we got this thing ready to go. I'm going to back up a little bit and see if we can get her in the air. Try to do inverted?
Sure.
Hopefully don't crash. It looks like it's a little sideways.
No, that I can see.
Alright, let's see here. It's way high. Here we go, inverted. Inverted. Good picture of that?
Yep.
Inversion copter, people. Back up. Let's go back to regular. Well, that went good. Last time we tried that, I crashed. Man, it's fast, I'll tell you that much. Handles beautifully, people. You want to fly it?
No, I'm good.
I don't want to invert it again with that chip in the blade. Alright, we're going to try the fly in a zero. Alright, it's supposed to fly itself in a circle. Oh yeah. It's doing that all by itself, people. That is pretty neat, ain't it?
Yeah.
You getting that in the shot? All by itself. Now let's try the figure 8. Okay, here we go. Alright. Ha! That's kind of neat. Okay, back to normal. This is just me flying it again. Let's see how good it does to find its home. Alright, so I put it in home mode. Let's see what it does. It's going to go up high. It's going to orientate to whichever way it was when we took off. And then it's going to come down and land right where it took off from. Alright, came down a little bit, slowing down. Yeah, she's gonna land now. Let's take it back to GPS. Yeah, she was gonna come and land, that's for sure. Man, it's fast. That tail rotor has no problem whipping it around. Flies just like a drone. That's exactly what happened when I crashed. It was drifting a little bit. So you don't want to fly, kid?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Fly it.
No.
Fly it, just like a drone. Here.
I'm...
Casey never flown a helicopter ever before in his life. Just be soft on the sticks because we do have a cracked blade. It does, it's zippy. Now watch out for those power lines that way. So glad Casey flew it. Oh, it sounds so awesome, people. Yeah, there you go. Now why don't you bring her in for a landing? Just kind of bring her in soft. And just come in here and bring her right down on the ground. And then just when it's on the ground, very far left switch after it's on the ground. On the left, or the one that says stop and run.
Wrong left. I didn't graduate kindergarten.
he was on the right.
Don't blame me.
The right left, not the left left. Oh guys, this thing is freaking awesome. Man, that was a long flight too. With that 2200 in there, I think it will go a good long time. Good long flight. That thing's freaking awesome. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've flown it a couple times, but Casey's never flown, I mean, he might have had a toy helicopter before, but he's never flown a hobby grade one ever in his life. And you see how easy he did it. He was more confident flying the dang thing than I was. He was zippy and whatever. So the FlyWing Fw450 version 3, I really love this copter. It's a great beginner copter, and it's not like some piece of junk toy grade thing. This thing is freaking awesome, and it's big. It's big, it's nice, lots of power, lots of run time. I'm running on a 2200 4-cell, and we just ran that thing for more than 10 minutes, and I didn't do a battery check. But it wasn't saying low voltage and returning to home yet, so that says a lot. So, all right, that's it for today. I'm Traxxas Mike.
And I'm Case Chaos.
From My RC Life, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching another episode of My RC Life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.